comfortable. I'm hungry. Rebecca, what is wrong with you? Why can't you go to sleep? Sorry, I just can't sleep. I'm hungry. Well, it's 6 in the morning. Can you please just go get something and go back to bed? Some of us are still trying to sleep. Yeah, okay, I'm going. So tired, but so hungry. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Maya? Rebecca? What are you doing up? I could ask you the same thing. Well, I'm hungry, and Sierra said that I need to stop tossing and turning. In order to do that, I need some breakfast. Sierra, okay. Okay, but Rebecca, it's 6 in the morning. I know, but I'm starving. Okay, well, wait a second, what are you doing up? This is my chance to watch soap operas without any teenage girls around, so... okay. Well, I'm going to go get some breakfast. Okay, well, I'm going to fall back asleep and watch some more TV. Okay? Not sure how you're supposed to fall asleep and watch TV, but okay. Let's turn some lights in here, shall we? That's a lot better. Now let's see what I want. Cereal? No. BLT? No. I know, I'm just going to bake some muffins. Alright, here is the muffin. No, I need something more than just a muffin. I am starving. Perhaps a fruit will do. Yes, Maya got some grapes. Okay, now something to drink. Some fruit punch sounds good. Okay. Alright. That should do it. Now I'm gonna go sit with Maya. Hey, can I sit out here with you? Yeah, sure. As long as you like to watch soap operas. They're alright. Actually, I love them. I star in them sometimes. That's cool, and if you don't like it, I can just record it and then we can watch some Netflix. Alright, sounds good to me. Well, in that case, let's enjoy some breakfast and television. I can't sleep. Oh my gosh. Why can't I not sleep anymore after Rebecca got up? Ugh, I'm hungry. Rebecca? Maya? Sierra? What are you doing up? I could ask you the same thing. Well, I'm hungry. Is that your comforter? Yes, it's cold in here. Alright, go get you some cereal or something, turn up the thermostat, and come snuggle with us. Sounds like a plan.